Nothing, because I've not heard of anything about a corrupt. I have no information about that. Yes, sir.
The number of absentee ballots that's been put into ENET, is that the final number? Do you anticipate any more?
I said in the beginning of this thing, there's a possibility that some counties might not have hit upload yet. There's a possibility that they could have not had a random one here or there. So, but that the absentee ballots that are there, and we have the extra bit of security that we know the number of requests. Therefore, we know that is the most outlying ability of anything to be done. So we know the outer limits of anything possible. But right now, as we sit here today, yes, we feel comfortable with that number. Yeah, Justin.
What about the possibility of a recount? Georgia law provides for that for the candidates, and it looks like at the presidential race we're moving into that margin.
There is a possibility of that occurring. Georgia law calls for if you're within 0.5% of the certified result, then the losing candidate, or I guess the winning candidate if they wanted to, could call for a recount, and that would be statewide. One of the things that we did is we county in the state so that they could conduct a statewide recount if it became necessary. Mark.
In addition to the 16,000 absentee officials and overseas ones would be on top of that, correct?
Well, Mark, if you weren't late, you would have heard the answer to that already.
No, I was here, but I wanted to clarify. Do we know how many that might be?
We're working with the counties to get a final number on that. So, yes, ma'am. No, that wouldn't be possible. The adjudication process gets us to the final number to certify. State law requires that the counties certify their results 10 days from the election, and then we have some time after that. We hope to do it faster than that because what we need to be able to do when the counties certify, we're then going to move into the risk limiting audit. Yes, ma'am. As I said in the press conference on Election Day, we are focusing on getting the election itself done. We do believe it was a data set issue. Don't know exactly why yet, but we have our vendor. We're working on it. But right now, we are really focused on making sure we get the answers out. Yes, ma'am. I can't speak to what investigations have been opened yet. I know
a noon approximation for deadline, and today you said, just now you said today if possible. So, sort of.
I am fearful that we have a resolution by the end of the day. As has been pointed out, that will be an extremely close. Everyone and so having a final. Probably not, but I can give it a shot. The adjudication process is a new system here in Georgia. Under the old system of scanning, when you had hand-marked paper ballots, which are something that, unfortunately, as a hand-marked paper ballot, is very open to human frailty and mistakes. We can use an electronic adjudication system oval mark to kick it out, and then a human being will get a chance to look at it. Under the new system, it will also look at overvotes, plus it will look at anything like an ambiguous and a bipartisan panel will then examine.
Reuters Live.